Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the rulers of the slave dynasty. That is the first dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate. The slave or Mamluk dynasty that was begun in 1206 AD to 1290 AD. It lasted till 1290 AD. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first sultan of this Delhi Sultanate in the slave dynasty. He was originally the slave of Muhammad Ghori. When Muhammad Ghori returned to his native place, he gave the Indian territories he conquered in charge of his trusted slave and general Qutbuddin Aibak. The dynasty is also known as the Mamluk dynasty because the word Mamluk means slave or son of a slave. Qutbuddin Aibak ruled a brief period that was from 1206 AD to 1210 AD. He was generous to his subjects and he entered into marriage alliances. He built the famous oldest mosque masjid in Delhi, that is Quwwatul Islam Masjid. Masjid is a place where the Muslims worship. He built the famous Qutub Minar in Delhi. It was completed by the Tughlaqs and the Khaljis. Qutbuddin Aibak was succeeded by his son-in-law Iltutmish. He recovered most of the territories that had broken away from the Sultanate after Qutbuddin's death in the year 1210 AD. He suppressed many rebellions. He was a very strict ruler. He suppressed many rebellions. After the death of Iltutmish, his daughter Razia became the Sultan. She was known as Razia Sultana. She was a woman, that's why she faced many difficulties during her reign. The scholar Minhajus Siraj acknowledged the abilities of Sultana Razia, but these abilities were useless because as a rising woman to the throne was against the custom. A Muslim woman comes to the power, that was against the custom. So many nobles revolted against Sultana Razia. She favored non-Turkish nobles. That was also another reason of hatred from the Turkish nobles. And the Turkish nobles plotted against her and murdered her in the year 1240 AD. In the year 1240 AD, Sultana Razia was murdered. She was known as the only woman ruler in the India during the period of the sultans and also in the medieval period. Then in the Asian region, she was one of the Muslim woman ruler. Then Ghiyasuddin Balban, he was ruling from 1266 AD to 1287 AD. After several weak rulers, after Sultana Razia, the rulers were not powerful, they were weak rulers. Ghiyasuddin Balban, a powerful noble, this is Sultana Razia's. Then Ghiyasuddin Balban, a powerful noble, became Sultan in the year 1266 AD. He continued Iltutmish's policy of suppressing the rebellions and strengthening the Sultanate's hold over its territories. Balban died in 1287 AD. His grandson, the last ruler of the slave dynasty, was murdered in the year 1290 AD. So he is after Ghiyasuddin Balban. His grandson became the ruler, but for 3 years he ruled. He was a weak ruler and he was murdered in the year 1290 AD. Then the slave dynasty came to an end. The famous places or monuments built by the slave dynasty, they are the Khwawatul Islam Masjid. Khwawatul Islam Masjid in Delhi. In the picture you can see it. Then the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is situated in a complex in Delhi. The complex is having many buildings, and due to the attacks from different invaders, many of the buildings are destroyed, but Qutub Minar now also it is very beautiful to look at, and it is not harmed. Then the Qutub Minar and its entrance gate, it is known as the Alai Darwaza. Qutub Minar, that was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, and the other monuments in the Qutub complex was built over 100 years. More than 100 years. The Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish and Firoz Tughlaq. Alauddin Khilji built the Alai Darwaza as the entrance or a gateway to the complex. So Qutbuddin Aibak started the work and he was almost completed, and other buildings of the complex were added by other rulers like the Iltutmish and Firoz Tughlaq. Then Alauddin Khilji added a gateway to the complex. This is the tomb of Iltutmish. Tomb of Iltutmish, that is also a tourist destination in Delhi. So students, that is about the slave dynasty that we studied, about the rulers, important rulers of the slave dynasty like Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Sultana Razia, Ghiyasuddin Balban. Thank you.